say from experience that creating unique digital products inside of Canva is probably the easiest way to create a digital product business. I've made over $300,000 a year selling digital products that I include inside of my membership that I market on my blog, on social media, and on Pinterest. And it really is one of the easiest ways to get started. It's fast, it's affordable, and you really don't have to have a lot of design skills because Canva is so user-friendly and has so many awesome elements. This video is going to show you a bit about what you can do with Canva, the best types of digital products that you can make in Canva, and how to get started. Hi, my name is Kayla, and I help content creators create better content for better results. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to get my latest uploads every week. So the amazing thing about Canva is that they have a free option. It's completely free. It's an account you can sign up for, and you can make digital products with your free account. I didn't upgrade my Canva account until I was already making money in my business. Plus, as a digital product creator, you can choose to use millions of free elements to assist you in the building and the creating of your digital products. And because Canva is so user-friendly, the elements are so extremely simple to find, to place on your design, and to customize with colors and different sizes and things like that, all to your liking for your digital products. So in this video, we're going to take a look at some of the different types of digital products you can create in Canva and where you can sell them. So number one, the first type of digital product you can create and sell inside of Canva is going to be an ebook. An ebook is a great way to monetize your knowledge as well as package your knowledge into something that's easily accessible as reading. So it can be a standalone product like an ebook that you just sell for as little as $7 or as much as $97 because maybe you've bundled it with other products like maybe a video course. You can also sell ebooks that you've made in Canva on other platforms like Amazon. So you can actually upload your digital ebook and sell it as a print-on-demand product, which we'll be talking about a little bit later. And basically, you can also sell an ebook on your own website. Next type of digital product that you can make and sell using Canva is something I'm extremely familiar with. It's social media graphic template. So if you are a social media manager, if you are someone who helps other businesses, or if you are an agency, or you're just dabbling in how to use Canva to create income, social media graphics are a great way to get started with designing your own digital products. Because once you've designed a Canva template, like a social media template that people can use on their Pinterest or their Instagram or maybe a YouTube thumbnail, you can share that template link to the end user, and then they would access that link that you gave them to download and use that template right inside of Canva. They don't need a pro account. They don't need an upgraded account. They can have a free account as long as you use free elements in your graphic templates. The end user then only needs a free account to access it and use it as a template. So it needs to be a unique design. It needs to be something that you've created. You cannot resell Canva's templates. You can make your own templates though and sell that link, that URL from the template link on Canva to your end user, and they just need a free Canva account. There are many other ways that you can sell that template link to end users without creating social media graphic templates like I do. You can use Canva to create lots of other templates, just like social media Canva templates. You can create digital products for business card templates, flyer templates, postcard presentation templates, postcard templates, poster templates, invitation templates, and so much more. So if you are looking to create templates that people then access on Canva, you have to think about your end user who would like to have a business card template. Maybe real estate agents need a flyer template that they can then customize for their real estate business. So there's lots of reasons why selling a Canva template that you've made to people online can be very niche and also very useful to your end user. Speaking of making things user-friendly and easy, a workbook is another great type of digital product that you can create. And it's a really great first project for anyone who's new to creating digital products inside of Canva because they're easy to make and they can be used in a variety of ways. Like if you want to start selling journal pages or a workbook on a specific topic. You basically create workbooks easily by adding a title or a cover page, and then on your next following pages, a simple prompt or a question with some lines in it for users to fill in, and then you just copy that page and change the prompts or the questions on each page. It's that simple. You can get as unique or complex as you wish, but it is really one of the best first types of digital products to create. The next level of digital products that you make inside of Canva would be planners or printables. So with Canva, you can create planners, calendars, and all of that type of stuff in a variety of formats. Horizontal, portrait, different sizes, and you can choose between a monthly layout for your calendar or your journal or a weekly layout. There's tons of different sizes and themes and elements that you can use to suit your specific need, your specific niche. So if you're thinking of creating planners or printables, these would be great for people who own a business or people who maybe do homeschooling and need to print things out for maybe a party or something. So if you're looking for something more simple, other than, a printable or a planner, maybe you don't need to create something like that in depth. You can also create simple checklists or to-do lists. So these would be one-page printables that are perfect for keeping track of daily tasks and responsibilities and things like that, but it's a one-page printable. So you can either do a full, planner with many pages, or you can stick to one simple page. Another next level type of product that you can make using Canva and Canva elements is print on demand products. Now, this isn't something I've done yet. It's definitely something that I want to try soon, but there are so many creators out there who have created print on demand products using Canva that I had to mention it as a way that you can use Canva because I've seen lots of people be successful in this. Now, I stick with digital products. You can create this digitally and send it into a print on demand service. You don't have to handle inventory, you don't have to handle shipping or anything like that. So for you, it is really just a digital product, but for the end user, it becomes a physical product. So you can create that print on demand stuff using the available free elements inside of Canva. So this means you can create designs in Canva, then set up an account on a print on demand service and have them print it out and ship it out to customers. And there are different types of print on demand services you can use. The ones that I hear often are going to be Printful and Printify. This is a service. The Printful and Printify are separate services that you would send your digital design over to, and they would handle all of the printing and shipping to your customers. And those can be connected to your Shopify and your Etsy and things along those lines. So print on demand is definitely not to be slept on. If you want to give it a try, I'm going to give it a try soon. We can keep tabs on how things are going, and I will definitely update any of you who are interested once I do get started. Hopefully soon. So that leads me to where can you actually sell all of these digital products that you're creating? There are lots of options for you, and I've mentioned a lot of them. You can create those print-on-demand products using Printify and Printful. You can upload digital designs into Amazon KDP and create, printable items there, like journals or planners as well. but you can sell digital products on Etsy, Shopify, WooCommerce, Creative Market. You can pin your products to Pinterest, mention your products on your own blog like I do or on your website. You can sell your digital products on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. You can sell your digital products to your email list, or you can bundle your digital products with other things that you create, like if you have a coaching program, an online course, or maybe you have a service. You can add these items as upsells or downsells to other things that you sell. So there's endless amounts of ways that you can sell a digital product, but I do want to share with you how you can sell digital products and make your first $1,000. But before we talk about how to make your first 1,000 with digital products, I want to mention and add a note about Canva's terms and how it affects creating digital products on the Canva platform. So if you want to sell digital products using Canva, go for it. But you should make sure that you refer to Canva's license to understand their permitted uses. And I've linked to Canva's permitted uses and license right below this video so that you can familiarize yourself with the permitted uses. If you have a digital product in mind, you can just refer to that. And they also will answer your questions. If you have a specific type of product that you have a question about, they will respond and reply and let you know whether you can. So let's talk about how you could make your first $1,000 making digital products with Canva. The first step would be use Canva to create like an ebook or a printable or a workbook. Then I would start sharing behind the scenes on social media, showing the making of that digital product and focusing on 3 types of content on social. So I would share what it is you're making and who it's for so that you capture their attention and they know that maybe they're the right person for that particular product. Then I would create content sharing why this particular product is helpful to them. And then I would also create content sharing how it works, showing the actual use of it or sharing some details that you're including within it. Then I would build a wait list on your email list building platform, or even just a simple list of usernames that you're going to follow back up with. Basically, you need a list of essentially 30 to 40 people, and you can use something like ConvertKit. That's how I use email and how I email my community as I grow my email list using ConvertKit. So I would get your first 30 to 40 people on a wait list, and then I would launch your product for $27, for example, and I would sell it out to 30 to 40 people. And if you follow those steps and this pricing and those number of people, you're going to reach your first $1,000. Then I would continue promoting it on social media or in your email or other channels like your blog, Pinterest, YouTube channel, and talk about how your product is a solution that people are looking for to a problem that they're having. That is the basics of selling and marketing your products, is demonstrating how your product solves a problem that your ideal customer is actually having. So if you do that math, $27 sold to 40 people equals well over $1,000, and it all started with your first digital product, sharing behind the scenes, and launching that wait list so that you are ready and have momentum to get started. So if you're ready to get started with digital products in Canva, you need to create your free account. There are steps below this video on how to sign up and create your first free account. Now that you've learned everything you can in this video and are ready to move on to the next step, I've put together this free resource for you, and you can grab it right below this video.